In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Western Union app account. Before we dive into the steps, let's briefly discuss why setting up an account can be incredibly useful. Whether you're planning to send money to loved ones, receive funds from abroad, or simply manage finances at your fingertips, creating a Western Union account gives you convenient access to numerous financial services right from your phone. To get started, head over to the Western Union website tailored for users in the Philippines. You can easily find this by searching for Western Union Philippines in your favorite search engine. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as it will help you feel more comfortable navigating through the registration process. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and look for the Register button. Click it, and you'll be on your way to setting up your new account. This action will lead you to the registration page. Here, you'll be asked for your contact information. You can choose to register using either your email address or your mobile number, whichever you find more convenient. This piece of information is crucial because it acts as your primary method of communication with Western Union, so make sure it's accurate and accessible. Next, you'll need to create a secure password. Take your time to come up with a password that is both strong and memorable. It's vital to have a good mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, as this helps protect your account from unauthorized access. You've probably seen it before, but try using a phrase or a combination that isn't easily guessable. Once your password is set, there's an option to keep updated on Western Union's latest offerings and features. Enabling this option might be beneficial if you want to stay in the loop with promotions or changes. Simply click the checkbox if you'd like to subscribe. After you've filled in all the necessary information, click on the Register button to proceed. You'll be prompted to verify your registration, a common step across most online services to ensure security. Click on Request Code, which triggers the system to send a verification code to your provided email or mobile number. Check your email or messages for this verification code and promptly enter it back on the website. This step is key in confirming your identity and successfully setting up your account. Entering the right code will immediately activate your account, allowing you to start exploring Western Union's services. And that's it. You've now created your Western Union app account. You can start sending and receiving money, explore the app's features, and manage your transactions smoothly and securely. Remember to keep your login details safe and enjoy the convenience that comes with having your personal finance network at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me today, and happy transacting.